Today very prime news highlight from SNH from Singapore. Alpha IVF Singapore uses advanced fertility genomic screening and artificial intelligence embryo scoring to help couples become parents. In vitro fertilization, IVF, has become increasingly prominent due to societal shifts towards delayed childbearing, infertility issues, and advances in medical technology that have improved success rates. At Alpha IVF Singapore, advanced fertility genomic screening and artificial intelligence, enhanced embryo scoring are among the cutting-edge innovations revolutionizing pregnancy outcomes. Dr. Chua Kahi, a senior fertility and IVF specialist who has been practicing since 2010 and has a special interest in complex reproductive medicine and surgery. He tailors treatments to each patient's needs. Additionally, he is a senior consultant obstetrician and gynecologist and the father of 3 children conceived through IVF. He says, as infertility varies, each couple must undergo a comprehensive fertility evaluation to receive treatment suited to their needs. For example, a patient with low egg reserves needs a different regimen than one with fallopian tube disease. Results-driven technologies and innovations. Technologies are rigorously tested according to Dr. Yu. As a result, Alpha IVF Center Singapore has access to more than 8 cutting-edge IVF technologies, demonstrating its commitment to advanced fertility treatment. They include: advanced fertility genomic screening identifies genetic and hormonal causes of infertility and recurrent miscarriages. Artificial intelligence enhanced embryo scoring identifies the most viable embryos, boosting success rates and improving implantation chances. Cryopreservation technology, developed by the Japanese, preserves embryos and eggs at -196 degrees Celsius to maintain fertility for future use. Alpha IVF Singapore has a 100% post-thaw survival rate since the 8th of July 2024. Intracytoplasmic sperm injections, ICSC, directly inject sperm into an egg, making it ideal for couples suffering from male factor infertility. Time-lapse culture system uses a high-resolution camera and software to monitor embryo development in an advanced IVF incubator. It frequently captures images based on the timing and pattern of cell division, improving implantation and pregnancy rates. Individualized approach to patient care. As Dr. Chua points out, emotional symptoms such as fear of failure, disappointment, fear of needles, and anxiety from multiple checkpoints during an IVF procedure are not uncommon. As well as teaching patients that their feelings are normal, counseling offers stress-relieving counseling techniques. When infertility affects a couple's relationship, couples counseling is also available. Thank you for watching SNH. Do you like it? Could you please share to your family members, friends, colleagues?